title.
Light water damage.
Yeah, it's somebody's.
Gotta drink. See, that's what happens when you don't put the plug in.
Open the door.
Oh, I missed that part. Fish! If there's any bass, I got a license.
Mine should be full of marijuana.
Oh, God, that would be bad. Well, can I explain it why it's a neutral?
Bunch of doolies, too.
Yeah.
Well, the only bad thing is now we have to swim up into the oil
Put it in drive. Get the emergency brake on.
Alright, I'm gonna walk back.
No, just slow it down. Slow it down now. Slow it down now. Slow it down. Slow it down. Let it come out. Let the water run out.
Let the water run.
There you go. You want to jump in the side there and maybe here? No, just stay away from there a little bit. Well, I don't want him. I don't want him back there.
It'll drain.
If that let loose, he'd be right underneath the back of there.
Cool. Colton asked me about that.
He could try going again. It's probably out of there.
He can go a little bit more. Give me my all at once.
Oh, yeah, it'll crash into the dock. It's gonna turn the steering wheel. Seriously, he locked the door? Evidently.
He's been in and out of there.
Yeah. Have they pulled it out somewhat already, or?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was all the way in a minute.
It was all the way under?
Yeah, just about. Just the wind, just a little bit of the windshield was half out.
What the hell was he thinking? The thing wasn't a brand new van.
Not sure what happened.
See a lot of water pull up over that hump.
Watch that chain, Bill. Just like that, that steady pressure like that is the best. Yeah.
Wow. Now the bumper.
Out the back window.
Yeah. Just tell me to keep it slow like that.
Well, he wanted the carpets washed.
Don't let him close that door. If that thing lets loose, he might be in it.
He wants to steer it.
Are they trying to put a boat in or pull a boat out or what the hell?
What happened, PC? Oh, there's a trailer.
Where's the boat? Where's the boat?
Just kept sliding backwards down.
going too far over the other side now. Yeah, you're too far over again. Tell them to go up a little bit more, not very much. Slow, stop. Go forward more. Go. Forward. There you go. Good job.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up.
Do again. This trailer's sideways. Oh, you're trying to lift the trailer. Oh, God. No. Nope. What in the fuck?